Most people think this ingredient belongs in tea, not in bread dough. In a bowl, add 75 ml of water, a sprinkle of salt, around 1 teaspoon, 38 grams of sourdough, or you can use 7 grams of dry yeast, followed by a teaspoon of honey or date sugar, which is helpful against diabetes. Mix until the sourdough is melt, and then add 135 grams of whole wheat flour. Now mix well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Do you like cooking? I do, and I like to share my recipes with you because cooking brings us together. You can also send the recipe to someone who loves bread, like me. You can switch from the bowl to a table, such as the table it's easier for kneading. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. You can make sourdough by using a piece of the dough we are preparing. If you like the recipe, please let me know. A smooth dough like that. You can make it a ball, put inside the bowl, and cover it with a towel. Then let it rest for 10 minutes in a dry place. Take back our dough and put some psyllium seeds on it. These seeds are powerful. Mix everything together. And then add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix again until smooth and uniform. Like that. Now our bread is ready to rest. Put it in a bowl and cover it. Let it rest in a dry and warm place, like an oven turned off, for 3 to 12 hours. Put a sprinkle of flour on the table. And look how much our dough has risen. Put it on the table. And split it in 2 portions. Now push it, stretch it in 8 directions, and wrap these 8 directions together. And then form a ball using the palm of your hands. Then let these balls rest for 10 minutes. So take the balls back, put some flour on top of it, and flour also a rolling pin. Then roll out the balls into a flat disc. Which will be around 1 centimeter thick. Repeat with the other dough balls. Let these discs rest for 10 minutes. Let them over medium-high heat, and once hot, put a bread disc inside. After around 30 seconds, flip it to the other side and repeat this process for about 4 times. Once cooked, wrap it around a towel to keep it warm. And repeat with the other bread discs. So finally our bread is ready. It is very soft to the touch and it smells amazing. Most breads leave people hungry fast. The next AAI bread does the opposite. Watch it in this video.